Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you T-Mobile Experience Beyond Cellphones plan. Is T-Mobile's Experience Beyond plan good or bad? This top-tier postpaid plan is built for heavy data users, frequent travelers, and streaming enthusiasts who want everything bundled into one package. It offers an impressive 250 gig of high-speed hotspot data, multiple streaming perks, international roaming, satellite connectivity, and even a 5-year price guarantee. You can also add devices like tablets and smartwatches for just a few dollars a month. But here's the catch, it comes with a premium price of around $100 per line before taxes and fees, and those extras aren't locked by the guarantee. For many users, the plan might feel like overkill since not everyone needs massive hotspot data or global coverage. Plus, satellite service is still in its early stages and limited to texting. In short, Experience Beyond is a powerhouse for digital nomads, families who travel often, and anyone who needs nonstop data and coverage. But if you're a more moderate user, T-Mobile's lower tier plans may strike a better balance between cost and features. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.